Greetings everyone, Bloody Silver here, back on the project. A little update for you guys. I did some cable management, zip ties going down and everything. This has to stay loose so that this can hinge over. It got that disconnect kind of thing. Got even this down here done. Plugs stay right up in here. Not the best waterproofing, I know, but yeah, it'll work. That's how they did it from the factory. I wrapped this up. Got as you saw, I had this going through, and now it's wrapped up and electrical tape going over to here. I got this plug zip tied to the harness since it has to run over. I don't want it to be a solid connection. I got the Hall effect wires running over. Need to do the connection for that plug. But yeah, so far it has really been a fun little project, trying to figure everything out and such, especially up here. That was awesome to figure out. And as for the headlight here, I'm going to drill a hole and tap it instead of doing a self-tapping screw. I'm gonna use that to hold it in. But yeah, my sisters also love how the project's going. My younger sister loves how slick this is looking. Why I really wanted to do this project. It's nice hearing her be so supportive. But yeah, it's been hectic and fun figuring this all out. I hope you guys are loving it too. Anyways, you guys have fun. I'll post anything new if I get the stuff in the mail that I need. Other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying. Have fun. Bye bye.